Dumela mohiri a amela ditabeng tsa Sesotho thapameng ena ke mo le Triforce a ntswelengwe pele ke dihlooho tsa tsona.
Like it was an illegal connection that started. It started in one shack, and when the shack caught fire, it affected other shacks.
Motho a le mong o hlokahetse ha malapa a ka bang 200 a hloka moo a tlang ho robala teng ka morao qhoma ha mollo mekhukhung ya kwa Mai Johannesburg. Motho o hlokahetse mme e mong o tswile kotsi nakong eo mollo o neng o tjhesa mekhukhu ya kwa Mai Johannesburg. Ke malapa a fetang 200 a setseng a itlhophere. Ho dumelwa hore ho hokela motlakase wa boshodu e ka nna ba le leng la mabaka a ho qhoma ha mollo ona mesong ya kajeno.
Basalatseo di basaletseng lefelo leno le gaitswe ke molelo mme o tlogetse ba le bantsi ba sena moo ba beyang tlhogo teng. Ba ditirelo tsa tshoganyetso tsa Johannesburg ba re ba amogetse mogala mo matsheng a gompieno mme fa ba goroga ba fitlhetse lefelo leno la apesitswe ke malakabe a molelo fela se se o bakileng ga se itsiwe.
We're still waiting for a full report, but that's what is being reported by the people who are on the ground, that it looks like it was an illegal connection that started. It started in one shack, and when the shack caught fire, it affected other shacks.
Tlhobaboroko e kgolo jaanong ke gore ba ya go isiwa kae.
Immediate plans will be taken care of by disaster management, community development, as well as social development. Community development has made a facility available. We believe in the Bez Valley area.
Batlankela ba tsweletse gape go netefatsa palo ya baagi bao ba amegileng fano.
The occurrence is classified as a major incident and will be dealt with accordingly.
Roi a re batlile go rebola thuso eo e ka tlhokegang go bao ba amegileng. Molemone motho wa SABC News, Johannesburg.
Ketsalong e nngwe Basebeletsi ba babedi ba ditima-mollo ba amohetswe sepetlele ka mora ho tswa kotsi mollong o tjhang thabeng ya Heidelberg haufi le Somerset West. Moya o matla o sidisa mosebetsi wa ditima-mollo moo matlo a mangata a tjhileng lore.
The fire started on Wednesday at the Lowlandswood farm, and yesterday morning, Saturday, the fire jumped over into the nature reserve. We've been able to deploy about 90 staff from the city of Cape Town. Today alone, we have about 24 vehicles on site, and of course, our partners with the Wildfire Fire Services Volunteer Group, they've also got a complement of 20 people on site.
Bahlaka ba Masepala Cape Town ba fumane thuso ho tswa khampani ya Working on Fire mme ho boetse ho rometse le dirwalang kgwana maobane ha dia kgona ho sebetsa ka lebaka la moya.
Working on Fire in the Western Cape dispatched a total of 108 firefighters from 8 Working on Fire teams that are situated in the Cape Winelands region, the Cape Peninsula as well as the Overberg region. From Thursday, they were assisting Cape Nature as well as the City of Cape Town and Cape Peninsula Fire Protection Association.
Mollo ona o ntse o eso time mme sesosa sa ona ha se so tsejwe ho tla fihla ha jwale ho ntse ho etswa diphuputso. Lefapha la bophelo le hlokomedisa basebetsi ba Merafong ba kulang ka lebaka la ho sebetsa Merafong kapa ba tswileng kotsi hore ba se sebedise mekgatlo kapa batho ba bang ba ba tshepisang hore ba tla ba thusa fumana ditjhelete tsa bona. Hlokomediso ena ke ka mora hore basebetsi ba tswang Eastern Cape, North West, Limpopo le Mpumalanga ba qhekellwe ke batho ba ne ba ba thusa moo ba jelletsweng tjhelete e ngata mme bona ba fumana e nyane fela.
Lefapha la boitekanelo le leka ka bojotlhe go duela badiri ba pele ba meepo bao ba gobetseng kgotsa ba lwala ba le mo tirong. Fela maiteko a bona a dirisiwa ke ka ntlha ya dipego tsa go tsiediwa ga badiri ke bao ba ikayang e le baemedi go tswa kwa dikemang tsa matlole mme ba solofetsa badiri bano ba pele ba meepo madi a le mantsi.
Ba tsamaya le batho ba ba bodisa di-bank account tse ntšha gore ba tlo kgona go tshwara dikarata tsa bona le pin so that he batho ba patelwa he ba seno patelwa ba krea molaetsa from department gore no patetswe.
Bangwe ba badiri ba pele ba meepo ba na le mathata a gore ga ba bona madi a bona ka botlalo.
Jolo ka ntse re shebisa mo dipampiri tse ngotsweng tse ke bona ha o di sheba le wena mo diwa ba le mpaneneng ha se re claim re fumana di half tsena
ha ke nana tšhelete ke fa I fitlhile 50,000. Jwale ke sentse ke na le letswalo ya go ke ilo jowa hape.
Dr. Rabada a re melato ya go tsietsa e tlhatlhetsweng e santse e batlisisiwa ke ba semolao.
Bosenyi bo diragala thata mo northwest ke ko Limpopo, mo northwest mo Klerksdorp, le ko Limpopo ne le ko Eastern Cape. So mapodisa a setsa a ile go di ofising tsa batho ba.
Lefapha le ikuela go badiri ba pele ba meepo go nna kelotlhoko fa ba romela ditlankana tsa bona le go bega kwa sepodising bao ba ka tswang ba belaetsa gore ba tswa kwa dikemeng tsa matlole a badiri ba pele ba meepo. Zebulon Maine, SABC News, Rustenburg.
Setho sa SACP se neng se le palehong Eswatini dilemo tse 14 se bolokilwe ka jeno motsaneng wa habo wa Makonde Limpopo. Masebetsi o ne a hlolele dilemo tse 85 tjhankaneng ka morao re bomphato ba hae Musa Dlamini le Jack Govender ba hlokahale ka morao re qhomane eo ba neng ba itjea borokgong bo ho neng ho tla feta morena mosadi ho bona e phatlohe.
Magologolo a batho a be a tletse mabaleng a kgole ya maoto go la Makonde go felegetša Mbetsi yena o tsenetše mokgatlo wa SACP ge e be le moithuti University ya Venda ka ngwaga wa 1988 fa o ka 1989 a lebilego go la Uganda go ba lešole la Makonde Wesizwe. Mbetsi o swere go la Eswatini ka ngwaga wa 2008 gomme a romelwa kgolego mengwaga ye 15 ka ngwaga wa 2012. Lapa la Gabompezi le re o be a ganetšwa go hwetša kalafo ge a be a swere ka kgolegong go la Eswatini.
When we made eye contact, hey, it was the first day I see my father's tears. And it was like, young man, you see these tears? They are tears of joy.
Mbetsi o tlhokofetse bekeng ya go feta bookelong ka Polokwane morago ga gore mmušo wa Eswatini o mo romele ka Afrika Borwa kgweding ya March ka ge a be a lwala le go feta. Mokgatlo wa makomonisi wa Afrika Borwa o re kgwetše moswadi wa boraro o swanetše go rwešwa maikarabelo.
He was killed by the despotic Swazi government, and especially by its leader, King Mswati III.
Go le bjalo mokgatlo wa Phudemo go tšwa Eswatini o latofatša mmušo wa naga ye ka gore pomo yeo e bolaile go bobedi bjo le go gobatša Mbetsi e be e le maetekelo a mmušo go ba bolaya.
King Mswati has killed Amos Mbetsi. That's our first reaction, because Amos Mbetsi suffered a stroke when his mother passed on. More than 24 hours passed on without Amos Mbetsi being rushed to any medical facility.
Mokgatlo wa makomonisi wa Afrika Borwa o mo tlhalositše bjale ka molelo tokologo wa boditšhabatšhaba yeo a bego a ikemišeditše le go ikgafela go lwela badudi ba naga ya Eswatini gore a ba lokolole ditlamong tša kgatelelo. Nna ke Koketšo Motau wa ditaba tša SABC Makonde.
Sekgahla sa leqeme la mesebetsi Afrika Borwa se ile sa fokotseha kotareng ya pele ya 2022 e leng lekgetlo la pele hore se fokotsehe ho tloha ka 2020 empa tlhokego ya mesebetsi ho batjha e ntse e le hodimo.
Tlhokeho ya mesebetsi ke ngongoreho e kgolo ho batjha motseng ona. Motjha enwa ya dilemo tse 24 o re ho hloka mosebetsi ho mo susumeditse ho qala kgwebo ena.
I from a family whereby they were only relying on pension, so and I'm also studying, so they didn't send me like monthly allowance and stuff, so I had to make myself like pocket money so I can buy toiletry and all that.
Rakgwebo enwa o rekisa pizza le dijo tse ding motseng wa Kgaleshiwe ho fepa lelapa la hae.
Menyetla ke direla batho ba bangwe ke go create mmereko as re itse gore ga gona di ra sokola ka go kry mmereko basha, so ke sama go create mmereko for rona rotlhe.
Basha ba le bantsi ga ba sa tlhola ba bereka, ba le bantsi ba feditse di matric tsa bone, which is go gontle go bona mosha a feditse sekolo mare wa fetsa sekolo ga sa tlhana a yana le mosebetsi.
Letsatsi la batjha selemong sena le tla tshwaya dilemo tse 40 a metso e tsheletseng ha e sa le batjha ba 1976 ba lwanela tokoloho. Ke Katleho Morapela, SABC News, Kimberley.
O ka bera fana ditaba tsa rona ho YouTube ka SABC ditaba-dikgang, Facebook account ke ditaba_dikgang SABC, Twitter ya rona ke @ditaba_dikgang. Athe o ka bera romela video ya WhatsApp e sa feteng 30 seconds ho 073 818 0674. Di bile ka lo mohi bo le bibela tela fihlela nakong e tlang. Hayate.